Hey Petty Fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Claire NYC reacts to Cassinet plays basketball at the bowling alley. Now what? You gonna play basketball at a bowling alley in Bowling Lane? Okay, let's get into this. Hit our subscribe button. We on the road to 40K. Please help us get there. Playing basketball. Let's get into it. All right, let's just do it, Claire. Oh wow. Okay. Why he gonna get airways? Like he really act like he playing basketball. Is that the new way to bowl pins? Is that how you knock down stuff? We'll see. Why they getting security? They walking past people. Is this a regular citizen or is this a security person? But he said he getting security, so therefore he not, right? What in the world? People can't walk down a Target aisle no more? Or is it Target? It's probably not Target. Yeah, it is. You gonna call security about what, Karen? What in the world? What? So you're just random people and you're gonna call security because people walking around? They weren't even doing anything. He gonna take it. Is he crying? Is baby brother okay? He know he not getting that money back. Why the heck did you hand it to him? You know that's your friend. Wow. Okay, so do you think that's gonna work? Like, how long is it gonna take for them to get kicked out? I guess that's the question. Like, they gonna bowl a couple frames? They gonna make a couple baskets? Or without the baskets? Y'all let me know. Oh, wow. Oh, gosh. Oh, wow. Why he walking up to random people scaring them with the New York song when they're in New York? Oh, gosh. They're loving this. He almost got popped. She was about to slap him or something. He sound like your spirit. Wow. Wow. Is he warming up, y'all? He got the jersey. He got the gym shoes. He did the warm up routine, y'all. I think he's serious about this whole thing. I can't take it. Okay, let's go back. Ooh. Okay. It's been a while since I've been bowling too, Claire. But you know what, Claire? And the rest of y'all, Petty fam. I think he doing this because he can't bowl, you know? That first one. I mean, I know it's your first one, sometimes it go a little left, but I don't know if he know how to bowl at all. I think he's just a basketball guy. Or did he hit anything? He bumped one. I get a triplet. Yeah, he gonna break the TVs up there too. Why he reporting it, y'all? Why he reporting it? He trying to get kicked out now. Oh my gosh, y'all. Kai is out of his mind. Why he gonna walk with him? Why is he walking with him? He just want them to know it's an issue. Oh, he is really gonna mess this machine up, y'all. It's supposed to it's supposed to grab them and it's supposed to go through a whole thing. I think they might even shine it within the thing. So it's like, what if it melts, or like, what if it doesn't fit in the hole? It's gonna stop up all the rest of the balls. Like, he's so silly. And then he's trying to walk on the plank or something with this whole bowling lane. He gonna go through. He like, don't walk with me. Now, what if he got eaten by the machine, y'all? Is everybody really thinking he's out of his mind here? Like, he just don't know the difference between the balls? They trying to be calm with him. Why he involving this man's wife in this thing? Like, these people, they getting tired. They like, I'm tired of going to get this basketball, dude. It's custom made. You don't lie. Oh my gosh. They had to call the manager, y'all. Mm-mm-mm. You think the cops gonna come? It's not a proper protocol. Claire like that. Uh-uh. She is not playing with you. She is not playing with you. She gonna stay there and watch what's going on. I didn't know they could shut down your lane like that. Ooh. She means business. Overseas, like where? He going overseas. What's wrong with this kid? Wow. Oh no, he gonna do it again, y'all. Why you gotta shimmy on him? Why is he shimmying before he shoot, y'all? They gonna have him on like the most wanted poster or something at the bowling alley. They like, don't let this guy buy a ticket. Oh, I'm a coming miniature over here. Ooh, the manager. Not the police, but the manager. He said, what? He said, what? You came in for what? There's some people out here that's crazy, so they like, is he serious? The draft. He bad at basketball. He's bad at basketball outside. Now he's trying to act like he just learned how this game go. Like you thought you brought your own balls. Jeez. Turn the lane off. Still let me call LeBron. I mean, I wonder how many times he almost got arrested, y'all. Y'all let me know. Why he got LeBron? He was like, what did he say? Did he say it's okay? Oh. He really thought that he was doing it, yeah. All right, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.